Hello, I am Jyotiray Memanandan, Chief Executive of Brahma Jyoti Supreme Office Worldwide. This is the 30th video in this series. The average time for the past 29 videos is approximately 19 minutes. This video I am planning for something more than 20 minutes. And maybe something around 20 minutes. Before proceeding, I will give you the time specifications today. Today, 28th March 2021, Sunday. Now we are in PC Zodiac. The stellar configuration is from Uttaram star. PC Zodiac, the preceding deity is ancient sage Guru, Jupiter. Maybe you can take it as Mahavishnu or Mahashiva also. Even Brahma the creator, that is the Phrigu part, you can take it as Brahma the creator. Phrigu clan part. Three large books I have, 5 books I have kept. That part you can take as Brahma the creator, that of Brahma the creator, Guru as Brahma. The other part you can take it as Mahavishnu and that of Mahashiva also. They all have Guru forms. And at present we do not consider the modern teachers as gurus. They have been disqualified to take their position. Mainly because of the cultural background they have and the other activities in the modern world that do not match with the cultural background we expect from the gurus. That's why, and moreover, they were not able to make any corrections in the world, appropriate corrections in the world so far. Even after I have started this office more than 20 years before, and I have several times I have told so many mistakes are there, they were not able to do any of the corrections. These celestial configuration came such a way that ancient sages have to decide those decisions taken by them they have to be cancelled, and the preborn decisions are to be cancelled. That includes gurus. Guru normally is a preborn, someone preborn. So all preborn decisions have been cancelled. That is the situation now. That is because of the reasons I have cited. And last day we have discussed in the last video we discussed the monetary system, the different forms of money that we deal with, and with all these we have only one form, that is time, that I have explained long before. We deal with only one form of money. And apart from deviating from the present world standard of having one dimension, that is, they consider money time in the quantity also. All are provided with same quantity of time. That is true. That just like your democratic system, all are given equal value. That is one dimension. It's true. We do not deviate. It's true. In the modern world, they have only that much knowledge. All are given equal time. Even modern management experts say all are given equal time. True, that is 24 hours a day. But even the modern experts, they do not know this time we issue to everyone in the world is of different quality. We customize the time and give for each individual. We give customize the time depending on their eligibility. but they have to satisfy some certain conditions. That's all. We give customized time for each individual depending on their merits. But they have to satisfy, to get that time, they have to satisfy the certain conditions. Then that will be issue. Only that much, that much requirements are there. And now I will proceed. We ask for some subscription. That is a nominal amount of 1 rupee per person. We do not want everyone to take a description from the 780 core people, but we want some description, some subscription. That for that the reasons, some reasons are there. One, we want some support. That is true. Even after working for supporting this entire world for 21 years, without any support, without any monetary support from anyone else. Now, in all these years, we were asking, but nobody supported. Some of them came for consultation. I got some money. That is true. But even now, the same way we are asking. You, someone, those who are convinced, those who are learned, those who are convinced, those who understand this thing, support us by 1 rupee a day. We don't want all 780 people to subscribe and give 780 rupees a day. Just those who are willing, those who are learned, those who are do understand the problem, please give us 1 rupee. Then only you will get these benefits. That's why I am insisting. This is mainly for the entire world I am asking. Those who are learned, those who are willing, those who have the capacity to pay 1 rupee per day. Once in a day, 365 rupees once means that is for 1 year. We want this regularly from someone. One person did not give. Someone give us. They can make the contribution. At least 1,000 rupees we should get per day. That is the requirement. So the reason I will tell you. One reason I have told. Then we want to do it with your cooperation. We are just like the political system where you work. They also do the same thing. You give us a vote and we will support you. That is what they are telling. Same day we are just giving a vote. Just like giving a vote, we want only 1 rupee per day. Give us. That is one reason. Next reason. The third reason I am telling. We can nobody in the world except Brahma the creator cannot produce nothing something. This system we are following from past from ever since the world was created. I can give you some examples. In the last some of the previous videos I have told the discipline that we maintain in the world of sages. Perfect discipline, just I have told Parashurama, things in the Parashurama. Something similar story. Among sages, there are a sage who is known for his anger. That is very ferocious attitude. If he notes something wrong, he becomes very ferocious, very angry, and give curses, imposes curses on the person who has done wrong. The name of that sage is okay, I will tell you the name. He is known for his anger. Once he decided to test Pandavas. Pandavas are 5%, a group of 5%. They were in Mahabharata. These 5 were fighting against the Guru or this Kauravas, 100 people strength. 100 people strength, and the other part is 5 people strength. And in fact, Sri Krishna, reincarnated of Phrigu, was in the part of 5 people. And finally they won the war because of Sri Krishna's capabilities. Also, mainly because of Sri Krishna's capabilities. He was giving support to Pandavas, Pancha Pandavas, 5%. And for them altogether, one wife was there. Her name was Panchali. And once this sage, his name is Durvasa. When he notes something wrong, he gets very angry and give curses. He decided to test the capabilities, just like something similar to what test that was given to Parashurama, and God is given to Ibrahim about the test of faith. Now sage Durvasa decided to test the capabilities of Pandavas. And one afternoon he went straight to the forest where the Pandavas were living. And by that time, he went there, by that time the lunch was over. And he asked for lunch. I have come, I want food, he said. Now Panchali said, okay, I will give. Please go and take bath and come. The nearby river is there. Go over there and have the bath and come. Prepare. We will prepare the lunch and will give. Durvasa and his followers went for taking bath. That was the usual custom at that time. And when he went, Panchali, even though she told Sage Durvasa to go and have the bath, in fact she knew there was nothing in that house to give Durvasa when he comes back. So she started praying to Sri Krishna. Then Sri Krishna appeared. He has divine powers, so he appeared before them and asked for why we have prayer. Then Panchali said, now Sri Krishna, now Durvasa come. He demanded lunch, and now the lunch is over. Now we are in a real fix. And then Sri Krishna told, show me that vessel in which you have prepared the food. And she has cleaned the food in the pot in she was prepared, food prepared. That is almost empty, nothing. She has cleaned that vessel and brought it to, already clean, and she brought it to Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna looked at that, and there was some pieces of vegetable, that is one leafy vegetable, that is called chira. That piece was there. That piece of, then some forms of rice, cooked rice was there. Then Sri Krishna saw, he became very happy, and took that piece of leafy vegetable and then some rice. He took it, consumed it. Immediately, then Durvasa after Durvasa had bath and he was waiting, starting travel from the riverbank, he had a feeling his stomach is full. He had a feeling. He all satisfied after having a feeling of having a real feast. That feeling was there. So Durvasa thought, it is unfair to go to that ashram again and ask for, he cannot take food down. He is already satisfied. And to go there and not to have food is real, some form of insult. So they decided, and left that place. Durvasa, the sage Durvasa and his followers left that place. They didn't came back to that ashram of Pandavas. So that problem was solved like that. It was possible that vessel, then Sri Krishna gave a boon to Panjali that till the time every day, till the time you take food, till that time there will be enough food for everyone in the ashram. Everyone, whoever comes to the that ashram, food will be ready in that vessel. Then only the food will be finished. That boon was given to Panjali. That vessel is called Akshaya Patra. Akshaya Patra. It will be there, food will be available at any time till she takes food on the day. That was the boon given to that. That is called Akshaya Patra. So, and Sri Krishna, even Sri Krishna, was able to do that only because that green leafy vegetable and some rice, something was there. Only from that piece he could make much more. I have the feeling of having a feast to Setu Durvasa. So that part is clear now. There should be something for you to create something more. You cannot create something from nothing. Same story is there, incident is there in Christian faith. And you know, Jesus Christ, he satisfied about so many people, about 10,000 people or so, with some loaf of bread and a bottle of wine. When he satisfied everything, that is there in the mythology. So he didn't satisfy everything with nothing. Only if you have something, he had something, then so many people are satisfied. That is system. I mean, modern example I will tell you. If you give a piece of what you require, something, a sheet of paper, to us, we will make a color photostat and send it to you online. Also, so that all of you will be satisfied. For that, you tell us what to require. And if you want money, you tell us, give us at least 1 rupee per day. We will make, just like Sri Krishna did, or just like Jesus Christ did, we will give you back. We are not, your money, what you are keeping is all my money. What I am telling is, your money is in your pocket, my money is in your pocket. You take 1 rupee from that and give it to me. I will give you more, with a multiplier effect, I will give you more. With authorization, proper authorization. Then only when I give you the money, that is authorized. Now what is you are having is something like you are, by force we are taken some money and keeping with you and spending. That do not have any relevance. It's not authorized. You give us some money, from that day that will be valid. The monetary system will be valid. Now you are in barter system, something without any accounts, you are spending some money and making so many activities. That is not valid. You give us 1 rupee and we will, with much satisfaction, we will multiply, with a multiplier effect, we will give you back. This now I am sure at least some of you might have understood the reason. Just like you give us a copy, what you require, we will take a photostat and give it, we will send it online. We will make you a color photostat and we will use, send you back online and make you satisfied. With the entire world we will make you satisfied. That's why we are asking. So many, for 21 years we are asking. And even otherwise, without these, so many people experience this also, but they won't tell openly. They got. Many people got, at least by directly or indirectly, they helped us. Then only they got it. Please understand this. At least some of you make contribution. We want our system to function well. That is why we are asking. I have given so many examples. We cannot make anything from nothing. If you give us something, we will return. Certainly we will return with a multiplier effect. That is the reason we are telling. These are some of the mythological reasons also I have told. Some modern reasons also I have told how the system works. If you give us a copy of what you want, we will multiply it and give it. What you have given us, that you will get you back. These are the all regions are telling the same thing. Even now we are telling from the Supreme Office worldwide, Brahma Jyoti Supreme Office worldwide, I am telling as the Chief Executive. You give us, we will give you back with multiplier back. What the penalty you are giving, you are getting, is with the multiplier what you have given us in the past. Even we are ready to rectify that. If someone is willing to help us, if someone is able to be with us, we will certainly give a better life for all of you in the entire world. So please cooperate. Again I am telling, please cooperate. It's for the benefit of the entire world. And one more thing I want to tell. Even though I have made communication through brochures, then through site I am giving written information. So nobody was able to get the communication. Then I started verbal communication. For almost about 100 days I have given verbal communication. Nobody got it also. So something really wrong. Something really wrong with your brain. That's why I am the official communicator. Only through me the communication will go. Whatever system you have, only through the official communicator, that will information will go up and go down. That you should remember. And if I make a communication, your brain should certainly get, but that is not getting. It is because your system is wrong. Some defect has already come through your teachers, modern teachers. They have made it wrong. Nothing, none of the systems are functioning now. Anywhere in the world you see, these communication errors are there. Everywhere in the world. It is only because of that. That link is broken.